Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. The first thing I want to talk about is this contest that's going on. It's called Stuff the Res, and it allows everybody a chance to win 1,000 DRIP tokens. It is a community-driven contest. I'll be donating 50 DRIP to this contest, along with some other people in one of the Telegram groups that is putting this contest on. The only requirement is that you deposit a minimum of 0.5 BNB into the DRIP Reservoir between December 16th and December 23rd, 2022. A winning wallet will be selected and awarded on Christmas Day, December 25th, 2022. So if you want to participate in that, check out all the details in the YouTube description. Good luck to everybody, and I cannot wait to see who wins. Alright, so the next thing we've got going on today in this video is, let me scroll down a little bit. I was talking with some people in my Telegram group. By the way, if you're not a part of that channel or group yet, there is a link for you to get started, to connect, and get answers to DRIP and Animal Farm and anything else that you have questions about related to crypto. So a question was asked in the group, is there a problem with the faucet because this person was not able to hydrate? And I assumed that it was just some glitch because we've all seen that glitch. We go to hydrate and there's an error and then we have to figure out what the heck was going on. We log out of our account, log back in, and then it seems to be working. But in Derek's mind right here, this guy pointed me in the right direction on using a really cheap gas trick. So a BNB transaction gas trick. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make that happen for you so you can save some money on BNB transaction fees, because at the time I was not sure what the trick was and I wanted him to share his secrets. So there is a video that he posted right down here, and I'll link to this video down below if you have any questions, but I will be covering what the contents of this video are in today's video. So thank you so much, Derek. You've already saved me about $15 in transaction fees. This guy right here is a genius. He's using a really simple trick to lower your gas fees. So let's go ahead and see how to implement this trick. I've got my Twitter account open here, and inside one of my recent tweets, I posted all the contents you need in order to get these lower transaction fees. But we will cover this in a little bit more detail right now. So this trick only works with MetaMask. I'm not quite sure if it works with wallets like the Binance Chain wallet or if you can add a different network to Trust Wallet, but we're going to be using MetaMask today. So I've got my MetaMask right up here, and right up at the very top here you can see we've got the Binance Smart Chain selected. Let's go ahead and click this button and come down and click Add Network. From here, let's click Add a Network manually, and let's go ahead and fill out this information. Now the information that I fill out here will look very similar to the previous or the existing Binance Smart Chain information, but instead we're going to be using a different RPC URL. Don't know what that means, but it works. So I'm going to go ahead and say the network name is Binance Smart Chain, and in parentheses I'm going to say saves gas. Now the new RPC URL is this. Let me zoom in a little bit further so you can see that. https://rpc.ankr.com/BSC. The chain ID is 56, and if your MetaMask gives you a warning or something in red right down here, don't worry about it. You can still add this chain ID to this information. Next we have the currency symbol, BNB, and we will be using https://bscscan.com as our Block Explorer URL. So once you have all the information here, and again, it's in the YouTube description, click Save. Now you're not going to really notice anything different, except sometimes using this network that saves us some gas fees, it does take a little bit of time sometimes to process the actual transaction. And the reason for that is it allows us to decrease manually the price that we are willing to pay for the transaction. So sometimes it takes a little bit longer because we're not going to be paying as much money. So let's go ahead and do this today. I'm going to show you a quick example. So let me switch over here. I'm going to go to my Team 1 wallet because today I need to send out a team leader airdrop. So let's go to the DRIP community website. I'm going to connect my wallet, MetaMask. And one thing I want to mention here is I also have my MetaMask wallet connected to a Ledger device. This device allows me to keep my money safe. I've seen too many people recently on Twitter and other networks say that they got their money hacked and their accounts drained. What can happen is you click on a malicious link and someone gets access to your account, your MetaMask wallet, and if you don't have anything to secure that wallet, people can just go, oh, BNB, let's send this out to somebody else's wallet, my wallet. So they send out the money and then they drain your accounts. And with the Ledger, you can actually prevent that. With the Ledger, they have to, if they are going to hack you, they have to have your physical device and they have to know all your passcodes with your Ledger device. It just adds an extra layer of security. So if you want to check out Ledger, I will link to it down below. It's my referral link, so if you want to support the channel, click on it, buy one. It gives me a very, very small commission at no extra cost to you. So now that we've connected my wallet, let's come here to the faucet, and I am getting ready to send out an airdrop. So what I'm going to do is come down here and click the claim button. Now with MetaMask, when it pops open, it gives us this default estimated gas fee, but we don't want to pay 36 cents. Instead, let's come up here and click the edit button. Let's go ahead and click edit suggested gas fee, and we are going to decrease this amount all the way down to 1. Click on save. Now you see the estimated fee is 7 cents. Scroll down, click confirm, and I need to confirm this on my Ledger device. And if you are doing this trick in the morning or the evening, I have found that is the best time to use it. Otherwise, if you try to use it in the middle of the day, things can get a little bit sticky or slow down a bit, and you may run into issues where the transaction doesn't actually go through at the moment that you want it to. However, this error right here says that don't worry, it may not have gone through now, but it may go through in the future. So don't keep clicking the claim or the hydrate button thinking that it didn't work. It will go through eventually, it just takes a little bit extra time. Alright, so we got claim successful. And let's go ahead and click OK. So now I've got some DRIP in my account. But before I send the airdrop, let's go to BSC Scan and check out the transaction fee. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to copy my wallet address right here, go to bscscan.com, and paste in our wallet address. Alright, so right down here, I just made a claim so I could send an airdrop, and I'm going to click the transaction hash so we can see the details of this transaction. Look at that, 4 cents. If I wouldn't have done this before, and let me show you really quick what I'm talking about here, I just sent an airdrop to my Furio team members, and what I did was this. So airdrop team, click on this transaction hash. I spent $1.25 in BNB transaction fees because I forgot to switch from the existing Binance Smart Chain network onto this new Binance Smart Chain, the one that saves gas. So I spent $1.25 here, and in my other account, I spent $2.75 or something. And that's because I was going to make a video about this yesterday, and I forgot to put the stuff back into my whatever. It happens. But you can see here that it does actually save us in transaction fees. We paid 4 cents to hydrate. Now this is a really great trick, especially if you only have, let's say, 1 drip available here. If you only have 1 drip here or less than 1 drip, let's say you have 0.5, and you go to hydrate that, normally with a 0.5 drip transaction, it would cost you about 35 to 45 cents. Just to hydrate 50 cents worth of drip, that is not worth it to me. So if you have a low amount of available here, use this method. It will save you money. You'll be able to hydrate every single day and build up your deposits faster. Now let's go ahead and log into one of my other accounts. So I will disconnect this and I'll show you how to do that one more time. So I'm going to make sure that that is fully disconnected. Scroll to my other team, which I will be sending a potential airdrop today, and connect that wallet to DRIP. And so let's go down here and click on claim. MetaMask pops up. You can see the estimated gas fee is 36 cents. We don't like that, so we click edit. Edit suggested gas fee. We are going to decrease this amount all the way down to 1. Now, if you are trying this with the regular Binance Smart Chain, it's probably not going to work. So we've got it set to 1, click Save. Comes down, estimated as 7 cents, click Confirm. Open the bridge for my Ledger wallet. Got to connect my Ledger and confirm it. So if somebody got to this point and they're trying to figure out how to get money out of my wallet, they're not going to be able to do it unless they have my Ledger. All right, so let's sit here and wait and see how long it takes to complete. If we go into MetaMask activity, it says pending. And there we go. Transaction is complete. Let's click OK. And I will go up here and get my wallet address again so we can see how much we actually spent on gas fees. So I'm going to copy my wallet address, head to the bscscan.com and paste in that wallet address right up here. Click search. Here you can see I just claimed in order to send an airdrop. So let's click on the transaction hash. And the value that I spent was 4 cents worth of BNB. So as you can see, this method does work. But sometimes, again, if you choose to hydrate or claim in the middle of the day when a lot of people are on the network, it may come back and say, oops, there was an error that looks just like this one. But just know that it will process eventually. I've had times where I will hydrate at 5 or 6 in the afternoon and it doesn't go through, and then I'm like, wait, did it actually go through? And I click to hydrate again, and then I hydrate again, and it just says pending, pending, pending. And then it'll actually go through like 8 or 10 hours later. So just keep that in mind that there can be delays when it comes to actually getting your money back into your account. But just know that if it says right up here, when you go to your activity tab, once it loads, if it says pending, it means it's pending. It's in a queue, it's waiting to kind of get processed. If it says failed, it did not go through. So keep that in mind. If you click on something and you're like, when is it going to happen? And you come back and it says pending, just give it some extra time, let it process. If it says failed, then you can go ahead and try it again. All right, so now let's jump over to the mobile side and I'll show you how to do the exact same thing on the mobile MetaMask wallet. So here we have my mobile MetaMask wallet, and here is where you go to add a new network into that wallet. Right up at the very top where it says Binance Smart Chain that I've got that wallet selected to, tap it, and you'll be able to come down to the bottom and tap Add a Network. From here, slide over to Custom Networks and enter in the following information. We're going to say Binance Smart Chain, in parentheses, saves gas, so that we know the difference between this one and the other network. RPC URL, https://rpc.anchor.com/BSC. The chain ID is 56. The symbol is BNB. And the block explorer URL is https://bscscan.com. Just like that. Make sure all the information looks exactly like this. Once it's done, tap the Add button. And right up at the top now, you can see we have a Binance Smart Chain and a Binance Smart Chain saves gas. So let's keep that one selected, the one that saves gas. So let's go into DRIP and do a hydrate. So tap on Browser, tap on DRIP. I'm going to connect my wallet. And then I'll go to the faucet. Now here you can see I have 0.33 DRIP available to hydrate. If you are doing this on the regular Binance Smart Chain, do not do it. You'll spend more in BNB transaction fees to make this transaction. But instead, because we've got this trick, we're going to come down here, tap hydrate, and here where it says estimated gas fee, we have this blue URL or this link. Let's go ahead and tap on that. And we are going to decrease this 5 gwei all the way down to 1. So now it says around 8 cents. Go ahead and tap Save and click or tap Confirm. Now the transaction is submitted. Let's see how long it takes to actually go through. Okay, so the compound was successful, the hydrate was successful. Let's go ahead and tap OK. And now let's go back into our wallet. So I'm going to tap the menu item in the upper left-hand corner, tap on Wallet, and here let's go ahead and tap on BNB, And right here, December 15th, 9:19 a.m., I'm going to tap this transaction. So tap that, and then I'm going to tap on View on BSC Scan. From here, let's go ahead and scroll down, and you can see the transaction fee was 7 cents. So this does work. So again, thank you so much to Derek, who is an admin in my Telegram group. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here is the shout out. Go connect with Derek. He's very knowledgeable, probably more knowledgeable than I am. And if Derek starts getting way too much action here, he gets too many messages, reach out to Emmett. Emmett is awesome as well. So thank you guys. I appreciate you guys being admins. And that is it. If you have any questions, check the YouTube description below. I post everything about every video down there. All the information you need is down in that description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.